Participating in this cycle of PIRLS has been very interesting. On the one hand, it marks the 20th anniversary of PIRLS, and it's very exciting for us to get results from our fourth participation in the study. Not only from the academic point of view, but also we're very interested in getting results from the context in which students learn and are taught. For us, it's very interesting as well the fact that it has taken place in the middle of the pandemic. So we are very interested in knowing how this has affected our students, especially from a well-being point of view. Of course, also from an academic point of view. Well, we're very interested in the data we can gather from the well-being from our students. For example, how they feel at school, whether their sense of belonging to school, also if this has changed the routines, the way they go to school, if they're more hungry, if they're more tired. So this also has a very important impact on academic results. So we want to see how they perform academically, but it's also very important to see how the pandemic has affected them from a social-emotional point of view.